Trane Technologies is a climate innovator, and we're a sustainability company. And what we've done is we've set goals. One of the biggest goals we've set is around trying to change an industry, and by changing the industry, changing the way things are done in terms of decarbonizing the world. So we've set some very ambitious goals. One of them is the Gigaton Challenge, where we plan to reduce our customers' global carbon emissions by 1 gigaton of CO2, which equates to 2% of the global emissions. So this is one target. The other targets we have are internal targets. We plan to be a net zero emission company by 2030. And we've also set some equality targets within our own organizations around STEM, around diversity and inclusion. If you think about cities and buildings, they account for 15% of the global greenhouse gas emissions. And we're working in 3 areas really to try to reduce that and decarbonize these buildings and cities. The first is around combining heating and cooling systems, because combining heating and cooling systems can increase the efficiency of buildings, heating and cooling buildings, by up to 400% and remove fossil fuel use. The second way we're trying to address this decarbonization issue is around moving to ultra-low GWP refrigerants, and we have been an innovator in that, one of the first companies to do that, and we'll continue to do that. And finally, we continue to improve the efficiency of our products. So we believe that by doing these 3 things, we can really change the carbon emission profiles of buildings within cities. The challenges that we come across in doing these sorts of things is really to build awareness around building owners, building users, that these technologies exist today, that the future is really now, and that we can make this change now and make those and get them to invest in these things. This COP26 is really, the few hours that I've spent here already, there's a tremendous amount of energy, and there's a tremendous amount of energy around really doing something about the climate change. And I think being here is important for our company because we can contribute to that energy, but we can also contribute solutions to that. So it's really around pressing those solutions, meeting people, and just contributing to the general energy and momentum that exists around trying to solve this problem of climate change, which is very much solvable.